If you want to automatically sell your Pi coins when the price increases on OKX, I'll show you exactly how to set up a limit order. First, I'll start by showing my current Pi balance on OKX. As you can see, I have 15.2 Pi available. Now, let's search for Pi in the search bar to find the trading pair. Select Pi, USDT. Here, you can see the price chart displaying Pi coin's value over time. Right now, the price is 1.52 USDT per Pi. To set up an automatic sell order, tap on the trade button in the bottom left corner. Next, select the sell option since we want to sell Pi when the price increases. Now, we need to choose the type of order. Click here to set it up. In this case, we'll use a limit order, which allows us to sell our Pi at a specific price or better. For the price, I'll enter 1.75 USDT, meaning I want to sell when Pi reaches this value. Next, I need to specify the amount of Pi I want to sell. I'll enter 10 Pi. This means that once Pi coin reaches 1.75 USDT, 10 of my Pi coins will be sold automatically. After reviewing the details, I tap the Sell Pi button. However, since I don't have enough funds in my trading account, I need to transfer some Pi from my funding account to my trading account. To do this, I go to the menu and select Transfer, then move 10 Pi from funding to trading. Now that I have the necessary balance, I will enter the same details again, 10 Pi at 1.75 USDT. Tap the Sell Pi button once more. A confirmation screen appears, and I confirm the order. And that's it. My limit sell order is now active. If I want to modify the amount or price, I can simply tap here to make changes. And if I decide to cancel the order at any time, I can do that by tapping the Cancel option. This is a useful way to sell Pi coins automatically without constantly monitoring the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more crypto guides.